Alright, so let's check out some more Bastion. Then maybe some more Mediator. See if I can get farther along to hopefully unlock some of these other ones. We'll see. Oh, free money right off the bat. Thank you. Nope, cannot do there. What's my charge totems? Okay. It's easy. Restore max health. Oh, yay. Get nice and grouped up, guys. Oh, no. Alright, easy enough so far. I mean, it's obviously the beginning, so it should be. We're at 54%. Come on. Any more enemies? Okay, here they come. Just take them all out nice and quick, like. Right now, next one's over here. Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, it's like that. No, it's not the special one. Why does this one look different? Oh, it's Obelisk of Curse. Okay. Where's the door? Nope, I could evolve. 3. Get some health. Oh, this obelisk is right next to the boss. Okay, that'll make it easier. Forgetting to talk. And probably gonna not sure how much content I can get out of this game though, because I don't think I'm good enough to get far enough to show more of it. I miss. Alright, it could evolve, we could do damage or health regen. Oh. Need to get out. Need to level up. How close am I to a level up? I can't even tell. Okay, there's my level up. Let's just get here. Nope, did not work. Pretty sure I just ran straight at him last time. What do I got? Sell of the ancients. Okay. Easy enough. Alright, there's an obelisk right there, or a monolith right there. Alright, got one key. Let's just take you all out real quick. Get some experience. Nope. I was gonna say take that box, but there's nothing in it. How about this one? Nope, nothing in it. Alright, that was nice, good group. And there's another box over here. Yep, got a key. Maybe find one more key. Okay, got the other key. Now turn around. Oh, this is a nice group. Let's just boom. Alright, and attack speed, damage, movement speed, damage, I guess. Well, you know what? Chance to crit, sure. Is there any more shops? There's a shop over here. Alright, there's a nice cluster here. Just boop. And boop. that one. Get that one. There are 2 shops up here. Right here. Oh, and there's one right there. Okay. After kill, next attack for deals increased damage. Yes. And chance to launch a projectile. Restore health after 3 seconds. Health regen. And just get into this group, just dupe. Yeah, I got 2 level ups. Let's see here. Attack speed, movement speed. We'll go damage, and we'll take health regen. Nope, dead end. And health. This guy's almost dead. Let's just finish him off. And off to fight the prince. And I got so many sniper towers on me. Oh, no, he's starting with that. Okay. Alright, I lost a bit of health. Let's just back up a bit. Alright, oh, no, never mind. I've lost most of the health I just got back. Let's back up a bit again. Let's see here, what do we got? Attack speed, stuns enemies, damage radius, stuns enemies. Alright, I'm getting a little low on health again. Dodge these. Alright, get behind him, do a couple whacks. At that guy and just dash through. Nope, that missed. Just get a couple whacks in. Oh, got a little crystal thingy. I don't know what those are. Ah, fuck it. And let's grab this claw. What do we got? On kill, a chance to create an implosion or an impulse. First slain enemy. On kill, rampart, creating. Yeah, no, I'll go with this one. What do I got? Instability generator. Alright, let's... Can I? Yeah, okay. Map, I wasn't sure if it was... Oh, there we go. Ooh. Now increases by 40%. I could take that one curse. That I deal less damage to mobs, but I deal more damage to the bosses. Alright, I evolved. Health regen. Where am I going? This way. Yep, everyone just crowd up in here. Alright, come on guys. I got 6 people. Got 3 people. No running. I wonder what the other farther upgrades are. They haven't really gotten that far with this guy yet. Okay, I'm almost back with this one. Yeah, evolved. Let's see here. Region. And just do this. Yeah. Alright, now for the other one. Let's go pick up another perk real quick. If it's got anything good. Let's see here. No. Chance to crit damage. Chance to launch projectile. I guess chain lightning's not bad. Because it says on hit chance, so is it like when I hit 10 people? Like that? Would that like increase the chances? There are a couple more shops. Okay, I'm going in the direction of them. Let's go hit this shop real quick. And just hit these guys real quick. Alright, there we go. Oh, Movement speed, chance to trigger chain lightning. And boom. Evolve. More health. Yeah, come on. All right, there we go. Got a nice little train following me. Come on, everyone. Group up. Yeah. Oh. All right. Got some more money. Let's go spend it. Max health. Reach a health level of 500. That was an achievement. Okay. Not that hard with this character, to be honest. Is a full health enemy will receive damage and retaliation for a hit. Chance crits. Chance to push back. I don't want to push back. I guess I'll go crit. And come over here. Do a challenge. Well, I wanted to go from that guy to this guy, but I guess I missed it. Yeah, I might as well just finish you off. Alright, let's see here. What can I give us? Additional impact occurs. Bonuses attack speed, impact. Okay, come on. Alright, I'm already dealing good damage to him. Alright, look at that. He's just getting wrecked. Comparative to how slow I usually am at dealing this. Okay, you three get together and there we go. We'll take regen and we'll take fourth skill has additional charge. Yes. On killing Rampart, increased chance to crit, chance to launch projectile, damage and max health. How much is this? 800. That's for that one. Sure. Yeah. What's this? Next attack with the first skill deals increased damage. melt that. And melt these two. Now it's dealing 150 extra damage after a kill. And if I sell this, 300% damage. And if I sell that, 350. Gives me a damage increase of 40% within my circle. I just want to because I can. I want the second skill. I'll get rid of that one. Now I'm doing 600% damage after a kill with my primary. I am going to deal massive amount of damage. How much do I need to get another one of these? 400? I doubt. I'm gonna find enough. But also with that, let's go in here. No, not that one. I want... Was it 100? I thought it was only 50%. Well, I'll take it. Because I should be able to deal some good amount of damage now. After one kill. Let's get you three together, do that. And that just wrecked that in one hit. Sell the ancients. Oh, no, I want to go for the skeleton. Okay, how much? No, that's the curse. What do you got for me? Kill, chance to create an implosion. I should just activate the Cell of the Ancients already. Reflect incoming damage to enemies within a radius of 30. So it'll help keep me alive longer. So I deal 400 damage after I get a kill. No, that's 210. Yep, 216. That's enough. Restore health after 3 seconds. No, I needed to go up there. Okay. The longer I take to do this, the stronger they become. Alright, that's one key. if I do 400 with no one around, how much am I going to deal when there's a group? Well, let's find out. That's all 530. Oh, there we go. Okay, have not gotten a key yet. Should be a key up this way. Oh, free. Increases health regen. 230, I can buy something. Increase movement speed, damage within 8 meters. Or within 8. I don't have a key yet. I could evolve health regen. Where are the foxes? Oh, there's a fox up there I missed. Alright, there's that one. Alright, that's another evolution. Let's go damage. Alright, that was satisfying. Of guys. Just get the hell out of here. Alright, there should be another obelisk or monolith over here. Yeah, let's go health. And reflect income damage. Now let's just keep all these guys here just to see if I can do this. Yeah. That just decimated him. Okay, let's get out of here before I die. Okay, come on. Get a bit of health regen. And just do that, that. Slowly whittle them away. Alright, and pick this up. Let's go. Second skill. Yeah. Alright, I'm actually feeling pretty confident going into this next level. Attack speed, skill damage 100%. Yes. Alright, let's see what this is. Crit chance, nope. Oh, that's the helper one. So I need 400, and then I get attacks enemies, heals allies. I'll go with the healing one. Health regen. So I need 400. I'm at 299. What am I doing? Awaken Ward. Oh, that guy. Alright, I got 400. And I just keep stunning him. Alright, let's go get our little Healy guy. Oh, that was 600 points of damage right there. That was nice. Alright, heals allies around him. Okay, now we'll go get the ward. What? Yeah, there's quite a bit of guys, so let's just do. Oop. Yeah, that is so nice. Just massive damage. I mean, not massive, like it's still not like 1,000 damage or anything. Actually, I think I could probably deal 1,000 damage to the boss. If I'm doing negative 40% damage to my enemies and 100% extra damage to my bosses. Okay, that one's done. Now on to the next one. There are a couple shops around here. Might pick up a couple more skills. Let's see what the, oh, no, hold on. Alright, let's see what you got. Damage and max health, gatekeepers at full health, let's take max health and damage. And what's this shop got? Damage and max health. What the heck? Oh, you're that, okay. Just stun him. And stun him again. I don't know what you do. You might have called for reinforcements, I don't know. Okay, they're getting to like level 20 health. Let's finish this up. Where's the other ward point? Ah, right here. I need to get rid of you. Okay. Yay, I can see now. Oh, something is fucking me up though. Alright, let's just get rid of you. Yeah, let's just go for it. Okay, that's a little scary. Alright, got health. And let's take... fuck it, let's take some damage. Something is shielding him. Is it that thing? Let's wreck it. Oh, no, get out there. No, fuck. Oh. Well, that was a good run. That was a really good run.